Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by preparing both devices so AirPlay can work reliably. First, make sure both are on the exact same Wi-Fi, not a guest network, because AirPlay uses local discovery. Once done, close background apps and confirm battery and OS updates. These eliminate common glitches. Next, enable AirPlay or screen mirroring in Settings or Control Center so the receiver advertises itself. This step reduces variables. If you skip it, discovery often fails before you even try streaming. Now you address network and device-level conflicts that block AirPlay. Restart the router and both devices, then wait 30 to 60 seconds so MDNS and DHCP refresh. This clears stale discovery entries. Next, toggle Bluetooth. Sometimes discovery leverages local services, and switch AirPlay visibility off and on to re-advertise the receiver. Make sure the router allows multicast/broadcast, bonjour/MDNS, and disable AP isolation. Otherwise, devices can't see. Finish by selecting the receiver from Control Center, and when requested, enter the AirPlay code displayed on the TV or speaker. This secures pairing and solves many connection refusals. Play a short file to confirm audio and video sync, then adjust quality or frame rate settings if the receiver supports them. If problems persist, reset network settings on the source device. This clears corrupt entries. Then reconnect Wi-Fi and re-enable AirPlay. Troubleshooting tip: temporarily try a mobile hotspot to isolate your home network as the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.